Hello guys, my name is Timlen Yokola from Dreded Consulting, and in today's video I would like to take us on how to generate our inventory report. So once we've logged into our Zoho Inventory, then we go to the reports module under our icon. So once we click on our reports module, then it brings us to the report center, where we have different kind of reports that we can be able to generate on the system. But what we want to do here is we want to actually generate our inventory report. So we'll come down to the inventory feature here. So as you can see, we have different kind of inventory report that we can be able to generate. We have our inventory summary, we have our committed stock details, we have our inventory aging summary, we have our stock summary, we have our assembly details, we have our inventory adjustment summary, we have our inventory adjustment details, we have replenishment tax details, we have our packing history, we have our shipment details. So I'm going to be displaying, I'm going to be going into some of our inventory reports that we have here. So first of all, I'm going to be going to the inventory summary report. Now on the inventory summary report now, we can be able to check our reports through some filters. We can be able to check our reports from any area we want to check our reports from. First of all, if we want to actually view our report as at some certain months, then we have to come to our filter here. As you can see, we have the filter here says as of this month, the stock availability, and if you actually want to run our report through more filters, we have the option button here where we can click on it. Now, if assuming I want to view my report as at the previous year, the previous quarter, the previous month, the previous week, yesterday, this year, this quarter, this month, this week, or today, I can be able to actually check out my report through this calendar features here. So assuming I want to view my report for this quarter, I can just come here, click on this quarter and run reports. Then actually the system is actually going to show us at this quarter. That's this quarter starting from October, November, and here we are December. So it's actually going to run the reports through the last quarter that we have in this year. And if I want to set up a criteria to check my report too also, so then I can actually, okay, I want to check the stock availability greater than zero or no criteria. I want to check less than or equals to zero or no criteria. I want to check than less than zero. I want to run my report equals to zero or not equals to zero. I can actually run my report through this criteria. If I pick greater than zero, all I just have to do is just come here and run my report. And once I run my report, it's actually going to bring an extensive details of what I have in the inventory summary of the stock that I'm checking. Then if I now want to actually check in with much more filters, I want to run my report through using other parameters, then I just have to come to the more filters here. Then I can see there are series of filters that I can add to actually run my report. You can see here we said there's a checkbox here, do not include transfer order. I can actually check this box that, oh fine, once you're running the report, don't include anything that is based on transfer order that they've done transfer order from. The system automatically responds to that and not bring any reports, any transaction that is based on any transfer order that has been done. Then I cannot check this. If I want to check, okay, mode of stocking tracking, is it by bills or invoices or is it by shipment and receipts, I can actually pick any of the filter that I want to run my report through. Then if I want to use some advanced filter, I can come to this add filter. Then which field did I want to use to run my report? Is it by item name? Is it by their item number? Is it by their category name? Or is it based on location? Or is it based on any of the field that is relating to the item report? Is it by package weight? Is it by status? Is it by manufacturer? Is it by brand? Is it by UPC? Is it by ISBN? Is it by EIN? There are so many features that I can use a field that I can use to actually filter my report. Okay, let's assume I'm checking by the item name. Then I come here, starts with the item name that starts with, is not in, ends with, contains, does not contain. Then I can pick, is not in. Then I go to the items, or I actually impute, that is not in acrylic nails or crunchy chin chin. Any of the items, any of the inventory item I want to set up the filter for, I can actually set up the filter for. And the system allows you to run your report more than the advanced filter. You can use the advanced filter to actually check in more. You don't have to use just one advanced filter to actually filter your report. You can use multiples of filters. You can use it to run your report. Let's assume I've done this, then I still want to add more to the search, the report I want to run. Then I can still come here and add more, then select the field I want to run the report based on, and select the filters that I want the parameters of the reports to be generated. And once I'm done with that, I just come here and I run my report. So once, okay, I'm going to actually delete this, and once I'm done, I just run my report. And once I run my report, it automatically brings up the report that is based on my filters that I've run on the system. As you can see, for this filter, there is the markup test item, the quantity in, the quantity out, the stock on hand. As you can see, it's giving me the breakdown, the total, the ones available for sale, everything. It brings the details of the report. And equally, we have the features of, if I want to share my reports, I can just come here and share with, maybe I want to share it with other users on the Zoho system. I can actually share my reports to them. And if not, I can actually download my report, or I can export my report. I can export it in a PDF format. I can export it in an Excel format. I can export it in a comma separated value, that's CSV format. I can export it to Zoho Sheet, and I can as well print out my report that, oh yeah, I want to print out this report. I can as well print out the report. So once I'm done with that, then I proceed. And there are other reports too that you might want to check in. So all I just have to do is just to go back to my reports screen. Then after going back to my report screen, you can see if I want to check for committed stock details, if I want to check inventory aging summary, if I want to check stock summary, if I want to check assembly details, if I want to check inventory adjustment summary, inventory adjustment details, I can actually run my report through that screen. And with that, you've been able to run up your inventory report, and you've been able to set up parameters that you can be able to run your report based on whatsoever you desire to do to check on the reports. So see you next time. Bye guys. So do not forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.
Droidage Consulting, powering your business with smart digital solutions. From automation to analytics, we help you work faster, smarter, and better. Let's build the future together.